That's where we find 9 on your sides. Allie Kramer, she's at CVG now with the very latest on the conditions and what we could expect if we have our travel disrupted.
So we're about to have some very unhappy travelers. I've been checking the latest, and 1,600 flights across the nation have now been canceled. Those cancellations, some started yesterday. They continue into Friday. Saturday, of course, still up in the air. Live at CVG here at the departures board, only one cancellation for this morning. If you're on the Delta flight to Fort Lauderdale at 9:30, unpack your beach towels. You're not going this morning at least, but that's the only one. This will change throughout the day. Now, cancellations are stranding passengers flying out of major airline hubs like Miami International. Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach, and Orlando will also shut down for several hours when the storm actually hits. Now, airports ground flights when crosswinds are more than 30 miles an hour, and meteorologists are estimating winds to top triple that, 90 miles an hour. American Airlines alone, they've canceled more than 1,000 flights. Their major hubs are there in Charlotte and in Florida. Delta's only canceled about 120 flights, and again, those are from those South Florida airports. United Airlines, not that many, only 60 flights again for those airports there in Orlando, Fort Myers, in those areas. So let me check the latest. Again, it doesn't look like there are a lot of cancellations, but I just checked Frontier's website. And as far as Thursdays goes, Cincinnati to Orlando, I mean, check out this list. There are a number of them that just continue. And then tomorrow, if you're flying Frontier, Cincinnati to Atlanta, and again to Orlando and back, all of those are canceled. Right around 11 o'clock this morning, we expect more of those cancellations to roll in. So before you come to the airport, you've got to call your specific airline. Check to see if your flight's going to actually take off. Reporting live at CVG this morning, Allie Kramer, 9 on your side.